Although everything feels so big, it's very grounding to feel like we're telling a story in such a grand place.
So the original opera was written around the year 2000, and it's for massive, massive forces. You need 100 people on stage, 100 people in the pit, and now we are going all the way down to 16 players in the pit and 19 people in the cast. Such a big story in some ways that when the story really zooms in on our main character, whose name is Offred, and we see her story and her pain, it's really moving.
I believe the offer of this story right now is that unfortunately speaks a lot to things that are happening nowadays. I think is a cautionary tale and a very important one.
Brenna said to us, she's a mother and she's lost her child, and that is the way we're telling the story.
I love that everything that happens for me in the present time is informed by the past. Mm-hmm. So even bringing those characters together where I'm always watching what's happening in the past, it really helps me understand what is my next move. This opera, to me more specifically for my role, is an absolute tour de force. I never get to leave the stage, which means I need to be very prepared vocally and have very good stamina to get through this entire role.
So Serena Joy is complex. She thought she was doing the best for the world. I trusted you, I tried. There's a melody of amazing grace that Serena sings a lot, and it is her lullaby that she uses to make herself feel better when she's lost, when she's afraid. And every time I sing that melody now, even if it's in really, really hard scenes, I get very, very choked up because it is her lullaby.
The music is very dense, I will say, in that there are a lot of ideas packed into the piece. So at times it's very, very dissonant because it's a dystopian world, but then there are these moments where all of the facade drops and it's incredibly tender and beautiful.
The importance of a female team to tell this story and to have such strong female cast members and to have Brenna and Kamna be so with us, and Anastasia, who's been there the whole time, and anytime we were doing difficult scenes, she would come up to us and tell us to take care of ourselves.
You can see that there's so much pain, so much suffering. It makes you understand how complete the art form is and how amazing everyone is at their job.
I think it's such an important piece, and I think more people need to see it.
It feels like we're making history here.